Welcome to MedEd 360. Have you ever wondered what makes your personality unique? In this video, we're diving deep into the big 5 personality traits. But first, let's find out where you stand. Discover your personality by doing this self-assessment activity. We will show you 5 statements. Rate yourself on these 5 statements from 1 to 5. 1 being not at all and 5 being completely true. Pause the video with each statement and answer it honestly. We'll revisit this assessment at the end to reveal what they say about your personality, so let's do it. First statement is that I enjoy trying new activities or exploring new ideas. Rate yourself from 1 to 5. Second is I like to keep my space neat and organized. Rate yourself from 1 to 5. I feel energized when I'm around people. Rate from 1 to 5. I often go out of my way to help others. Rate yourself. Lastly, I get upset easily and find it hard to stay calm. Now that you have done this assessment, watch the complete video to know all about the different personality traits, and at the end of the video, you will be able to accurately know what personality traits you have. Let's begin. The big 5 personality traits that a person can have include openness, conscientiousness, extraversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. These are the foundation of modern personality psychology. The first trait is openness to experience. Openness refers to your willingness to embrace creativity, try new things, and explore new ideas. People high in openness tend to love art, travel, and intellectual pursuits. Do you enjoy trying new things or experimenting with ideas? Let us know in the comments below. The second trait is conscientiousness. Conscientiousness is all about being organized, responsible, and goal-oriented. People high in this trait often excel in structured environments. The third trait is extraversion, and to be very honest, I don't have this trait at all. Extraversion describes how outgoing and energetic you are. Extroverts thrive on social interaction, while introverts may prefer quieter settings. The fourth trait is agreeableness. Agreeableness is about being compassionate, cooperative, and eager to help others. High agreeableness is often linked to kindness and empathy. If you're still here and enjoying the video, kindly subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. The last trait is neuroticism. Neuroticism measures emotional stability. People high in neuroticism may feel stress or anxiety more acutely, but it can also make them more in tune with their emotions. Now let's connect everything together. Everyone is a unique mix of these traits, and there's no right or wrong combination. Understanding your traits can help you grow, communicate, and connect with others more effectively. Now comes the part for which all of you have been waiting. That is the result of your personality assessment. The way you are going to know about your personality is that you need to match your statements to the traits I will show next. Then find out in which trait did you score highest in. That's your dominant personality trait. The statement number 1, I enjoy trying new activities or experience new ideas, describes the trait of openness. The statement number 2, I like to keep my space neat and organized, describes the trait conscientiousness. The statement number 3, I feel energized when I am around people, describes the trait extraversion. The statement number 4, I often go out of my way to help others, describes the trait agreeableness. And lastly, the statement number 5, I get upset easily and find it hard to stay calm, describes the trait neuroticism. Did you match and rate the statements to the traits? So, what's your dominant trait according to this assessment? Share it in the comments below. I would like to be clear that the dominant personality isn't permanent, and it doesn't mean you are only that person. You can also have multiple personality traits in varying degrees according to the situation and circumstances you are in. So if you lack a good and productive trait, you can always think about it and you can make changes in your thought process to have that good trait and eliminate the bad one. According to this assessment, my dominant personality trait came out to be that of neuroticism. So I guess it's true that we learn new things about ourselves every day. As I told you people, I myself will work on my neuroticism and be a person that stays calm in situations and don't get too bothered by things. Thanks for discovering your personality with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and interesting videos. Stay healthy and stay blessed. See you next time.